I'm at the exocad stand today at IDS, and I'm with Till, CEO and co-founder of exocad. Till, good to see you again.
Good to see you, Ben.
So, Till, I'm feeling the atmosphere at the exocad stand. What's your experience been so far at the IDS this time?
Well, it's been a busy show and we love it. For us, it has always been a key element of our business to stay in close touch with our customers, the users, listen to them, interact, and of course, meet our distribution partners and connect with the industry. We love it.
Well, I can certainly feel all the connections happening here at the stand. Now tell me, what are you highlighting here at the stand today?
We're showing a bunch of new things, including the newly released exoplan 3.1 Rijeka for guided surgery. We're showing a preview of our upcoming software for digital design of partial dentures, PartialCAD, where we introduce the quick snap feature that basically allows CAD/CAM production of the entire partial denture with gingiva below the frame, gingiva above the frame, and teeth all printed and snaps together. I think this is a great opportunity for labs to step up their productivity in the area of removables. And then we're also showing a new version of chairside CAD for single visit dentistry.
Oh, that's a lot of technology, a lot of great technology and innovation you're bringing to digital dentistry. And I know that your mission is to provide the most complete solution for digital dentistry. How does the partnership with ModuleWorks impact that?
Well, we have partnerships throughout the industry on a technical level and on a commercial level. So when it comes to toolpath calculation, ModuleWorks is a key company we work with to provide a comprehensive solution. We provide the user interface, for example, as part of chairside CAD, with the in-CAD nesting, or as part of dental CAD. And ModuleWorks does the toolpath calculation, all the difficult calculations that make the machine run exactly the right way. And our distributors love that as well.
Till, it's a pleasure to meet you and to also see how exocad's bringing the innovation forward. And it's also a pleasure for us to be a part of that. Thank you.
Thank you, Ben.